मेरा है रिक्वेस्ट कि ऐसा कुछ विजुअल लड़कियों के लिए जिनको काफ़ी ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कि उनका डिफेंस कैसे हो, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि अगर ऐसा कोई स्पेशल कोर्स उनके लिए किया जाए तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट. One more time, thanks to Akshay sir, Aditya sir, Mehul sir, and special हमारे विपुल sir, Jatin sir, and Khan sir and Abhishek sir.
Okay, now wait. Now Pariniti is going to. We would like Pariniti to say something because वो आई हैं, पहली बार आई हैं, तो मैं चाहूँगा कि वो कुछ बोलें. Okay, Pariniti, you can go ahead.
एक्चुअली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाय, थैंक यू कि अक्षय सर को स्पेशली कि आपने मुझे बुलाया एंड थैंक गॉड आज मेरी शूट नहीं थी और मैं आ पाई. मैं इतनी टच्ड हूँ यहाँ आके और मेरा दिमाग इतना चल रहा है क्योंकि मैं अपनी लाइफ में पीछे झांक कर देख रही हूँ. मैं खुद एक बहुत छोटे टाउन से हूँ, अम्बाला से. आई डोंट नो आप लोगों को पता है कि नहीं, लेकिन मैं अम्बाला से हूँ. और बड़े होते हुए हमारे पास बहुत मुश्किलें थी. मैं और मेरे 2 भाई थे और हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे, तो मैं स्कूल जाती थी साइकिल पे क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई गाड़ी, ड्राइवर, बस के पैसे ये सब नहीं थे. तो मेरे पास एक साइकिल था और मैं जाती थी. और स्कूल मेरा सिर्फ 15 मिनट दूर था सिर्फ. और अम्बाला बहुत ही छोटा शहर है, तो आप सोचो कि जुहू जितना है उतना पूरा अम्बाला है. एंड मेरे डैड को इतना डर लगता था सुबह 6-7 बजे कि वो मेरे पीछे थोड़ी दूरी पे खुद अपनी साइकिल पे आते थे जस्ट टू सी कि कोई लड़का छेड़े या ना छेड़े, क्योंकि मैं स्कूल की स्कर्ट पहन के जाती थी. एंड कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि लड़के आके मुझे छेड़ते थे. वो आके मेरे साथ चलते थे, मेरी स्कर्ट को ऐसे उठाने की कोशिश करते थे. और मैं अपने मम्मी पापा से इतना नफरत करती थी कि आप क्यों मुझे साइकिल पे भेजते हो, आप क्यों मुझे नहीं जाते. लेकिन मेरे पापा बोलते थे नहीं, तुझे स्ट्रांग होना है. उस टाइम पे मुझे वो बात समझ नहीं आई, लेकिन मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे कि मैं ऐसी क्लास में आऊँ और मैं पैसे दूँ और मैं इतना सीखूँ अपने लिए. और मैं इतनी खुश हूँ कि सर इतना केयर करते हैं. इवन आदित्य कि बिना पैसों के वो आप लोगों को सिखा रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ जो हमें फोर्स करना पड़ रहा है अपने आप को सिखाने के लिए. वो तो चीज़ आई थिंक वो हम लोग चेंज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आज की हमारी कंट्री की स्थिति ऐसी है. लेकिन आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आप लोग सब आ रहे हो. कोई यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहनते हो. जिस तरह से आप लोग काम पे जाते हो, उन्होंने मुझे बताया, वो लोग वही कपड़े आपको रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन के लिए आपको प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. उससे अच्छी कोई चीज़ नहीं हो सकती. सो थैंक योर सेल्स कि आप लोग आज यहाँ ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हो. आप लोग यू ऑल आर मच स्ट्रॉन्गर विमेन. आप लोगों के पास वो फैसिलिटी है जो शायद मेरे पास भी नहीं थी और मेरी जैसी लाखों लड़कियों के पास नहीं है. तो मेक यूज़ ऑफ इट. जब भी आई होप आपके पास ऐसी सिचुएशन कभी ना आए, लेकिन कभी भी आए तो एक पंच मारो. एंड आई थिंक जतिन सर, विपुल सर, सब ने आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाया, अभिषेक. सो मेक यूज़ ऑफ दैट. गो किक सम एस.
आप कुछ बोलेंगी? नहीं, वो पीछे. आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी? आपको मैं
येलो दुपट्टा.
हाँ, आइए. आपने हाथ नहीं खड़ा किया इसलिए मैं आपको बुला रहा हूँ. आइए.
ये भी एक तरह का सेल्फ डिफेंस है. अक्षय सर के सामने कुछ भी हो सकता है.
आइए, कुछ भी बोलिए, जो मन में आए बोलिए. नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. मैं वही देख रहा था कौन हाथ नहीं खड़ा कर रहा है, उनको बुलाता हूँ. नाम बताइए जोर से. जोर से.
I'm actually not a North Indian, I'm South Indian, I'm from Kerala, and I'm a Muslim girl. As you all know that Muslims are all very much orthodox. And I'm from a village, like you said, a small village, but we don't have any transporting facility. So I'm coming from there only, and I'm coming here for studying. In this big city, I was in for first few days I was so scared of the city.
When did you come here to Bombay?
2 years later.
2 years earlier.
Yeah.
Okay. So
now,
after you joined, are you comfortable now?
Now it means I got something, some power I got.
You got some power.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Means now I know I should take care of. Means I should walk. In first class they taught us how to walk on the street. Even we means I that time I was pretty on me that I was even don't know that how a girl should walk on the street. Because I was not take care of that because I was from a village and even means it was much safer, not like Mumbai. It was safer quite. So I was not aware of that. It's coming here only and hearing the news and all. Then I aware of that something is happening here differently and I should prepare for that. So I means accidentally I joined here actually from my college. From my college all I joined. So
What college are you in?
CIP, Central Institute of Fisheries Education.
Okay.
Warsaw. So in a group we have joined and first day itself I was.
So you have your group here?
Yeah.
How many of you?
Oh, wow.
So that's good to know.
Rock
That's
stars,
good.
very good.
That's very good.
The
So
first few weeks I was means for the first batch I was here, but I quit the course itself within the first day because I thought that I can't do this. Means like the punch, the kicks, the pressure points. I thought that in my dupatta and my salwar I can't do this. Why? Then I was so scared and I quit. And later on I thought that why don't I learn this? Means I need this in the city. Means in my village or in my further life I may not need, but in the city I am here. Means anything happen here any time anything can happen. So I should be prepared. So
so are you feeling prepared?
Yeah.
Are you
Even in
feeling
your salwar
confident?
and kurta, you can do it, na, now?
I can.
But I love what you're wearing. I love what you're wearing. Okay, thank you very much.
नहीं नहीं
हाँ. So anybody from the press, if anybody wants to ask any question.
Anybody from the press wants to ask some questions?
अक्षय और आदित्य, जब आपने शुरुआत की थी इस चीज़ की और आज जब इस मकाम पे आप इतने मैचेस को देखते हैं तो अभी क्या जहन में चलता है, क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे? तो कैमरे में
मुझे लगता है आप हर बार आते रहे हैं, तो आप बोलिए आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है?
हाँ. हेलो इधर आ, सही बोला.
कब है?
आज ये पहली बार होगा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कि मीडिया जवाब देगी. मीडिया इधर बैठ.
Come on, come on.
आप बताइए आप.
तो मैं आपको बताऊं कि जब भी ग्रेजुएशन होती है तो जब मीडिया आते हैं, आलोक साहब हमेशा एक ऐसा चेहरा है जो हमेशा नजर आते हैं.
लेकिन अलग अलग रूप में आते हैं.
हाँ, लेकिन बाल वैसे ही रहते हैं. तो आपने क्या सीखा यहाँ पे?
तो मैंने तो ये सीखा कि जिस तरीके से लोग अपने जज्बात जाहिर करते हैं और जिस तरीके से ये लोग सीखते हैं इतने वही शिक्षकों के साथ, उसको देख करके ये लगता है कि कोई भी, चाहे मीडिया की भी अभी आज गर्ल्स हमसे पूछ रही थी कि हम कैसे खुद को और बेटर कर सकते हैं. मैंने यही बोला कि इससे बेटर ऑप्शन भारत में और कोई जगह नहीं है जहाँ पर हर बार.
तो मैं all the ladies from the media, you're most welcome to come and join here. Be a part of this place. And through you we can tell more and more women to come and join. Anything else you want to
don't
ask?
kick us if we don't give you answers next time.
Yeah. Hi.
So basically, sir, you have been very supportive when it comes to self-defense for women. And also you have tweeted a video of Nidara practicing some martial arts in fair. So when it comes to the whole country, how well are we progressing when it comes to self-defense?
So self-defense is, let me honestly tell you, what our country पहले कितनी बातें होती थी सेल्फ डिफेंस के बारे में और आज जितनी हो रही है, बहुत फ़र्क आ गया. Lots of people are aware of what self-defense is, what martial art is. It doesn't matter whether it's karate, kudo, judo, aikido or anything. It's all about self-defense. मैं करीबन आज से 12 साल से हमेशा कितने इंटरव्यू होते हैं उसमें बोलते आया हूँ कि make self-defense compulsory, especially for women. And I will still keep on saying that. And lot of places you will be surprised कि बहुत सारे स्कूलों में अब ये कंपलसरी हो चुका है. बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट स्कूलों में कंपलसरी हो चुका है, एंड दैट इज़, आई थिंक इट इज़, I feel very victorious about it, and I feel very good about it, that and it is an essential thing also. And by the way, self defense जो होता है, it is not about beating anybody or protecting yourself. There's something else also which you learn from self defense, that is self discipline. You discipline yourself, you discipline your mind, you discipline your body, you understand, you take decisions. जो दुनिया की decisions होती हैं, चाहे वो family की decisions हो या career decisions हो, once you start learning self defense, you will understand it slowly slowly. मैं अपना example दे सकता हूँ. I have learned self defense and I have used all the kind of things which I know about martial art into my career. How to maneuver my career, how to do things with my family, how to keep my mind cool, how to be शांत रहो, कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है, कहाँ ज़ोर आजमाना है वहाँ आजमाओ, कोशिश करो, जहाँ नहीं, मतलब कोशिश करो आपको ज़रूरत ना पड़े. Like I would say, you know, Bruce Lee always said, somebody asked him कि what is your style of fighting? You know the answer he gave? Nobody knows? Okay, he said, my art of fighting is, my style of fighting is fighting without fighting. It is fighting with your brain. You can fight with your brain so well, and if you do that, you can उसको चित कर सकते हो. So that was his way of fighting. All right. So I'm glad, but that's it.
Yeah. See, I thought I'll wear a T-shirt which just says everything without saying anything.
So definitely I support self-defense. But don't you think rather than teaching girls self-defense, we should start teaching men self-control, and we should start.
जैसा मैंने आपको, would you like?
No, say na,
No,
say,
go ahead.
please.
Go ahead.
I genuinely feel, and I'm sad to say this, that is almost an unachievable dream, because you know how it is. I mean, literally we cannot go to every boy and be like, please ऐसा मत करो. They are not going to be like, okay नहीं करेंगे. You know, that's not possible. So like he said, if अगर हालात बुरे हैं तो हमको ही कुछ करना पड़ेगा. And I mean, God forbid, nobody should have to use these skills on the street, in the road, in the middle of the night. I hope ऐसा situation ही कभी ना आए. But at least you're prepared. So I feel like he said, it gives you self-defense in your life. Also, it gives you self-discipline. Sorry, चाहे आप घर में हो, चाहे आप स्कूल में हो, कॉलेज में हो, काम पे हो, at least you feel confident. You feel better about yourself. And hopefully, in another 10, 15, 20, 50 years, it's not needed at all. But it's absolutely unachievable, I feel.
Can we introduce some proper sessions for even men in schools and in boys? Like,
You know, the men who will come for these sessions are the ones who are not going to attack in the first place. The ones who attack and the ones who actually need those sessions will not come for those sessions.
Wow.
Yeah.
Anything else? Anybody from the media wants to ask anything? Are you from media? Okay.
Only
Yeah.
media, any
The
media.
Okay.
media is
So now
asking
I
some
would
cool
just request
questions.
Aditya to say some few words, please. Aditya, Sana.
Aditya is too cute to say anything.
Normally I don't say anything here. I just put it on Akshay ji to say, and you know, thank you Pariniti for coming here, because this is an initiative that Akshay ji and I launched. Actually, it was his idea, because just to tell you how it happened is, one fine day in about December, I got a call saying Akshay Kumar आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं. Like, am I being cast in a film or something? But Akshay ji and I met someone on the road for 5-10 minutes in a car. He was on his way to a shoot, I was on my way to some event, and he said, Aditya, I want to start off with a self-defense center, which has to be free and for girls throughout whatever age group, whatever, you know, caste, creed, whatever. And I said, down, when do we start it? He's like, you tell me when and where. And we decided, I think within 2 months, our setup was done, and we decided to have our first self-defense center here. Mehul has been very kind to help us with all his trainers. I know the names of 2 people who are multiplicated into many Wispy. and there are a couple of more.
Jatin.
All of them are here to help, and we started off with the self-defense center. We've hit our 120 batches now. We're starting off in Thane, and we're starting off in Ahmedabad. There are so many people who are coming ahead and helping us. Many girls, many women who are of, say, the age of 60 to 65. Last batch, the lowest age was 5 years old, and the highest was about 65. And all of them, you can see equal enthusiasm in all of them. They've been helping. Unfortunately, as you said, the time is such that if a girl texts a guy 2-3 times, in his mind he starts thinking, oh, she's interested in me. You know that kahavat hai, hasi to fasi.
मेरी फिल्म भी है हंसी तो फंसी.
Exactly. इसलिए आपको, you know, it's very appropriate that you've come here. And ठीक है, हंसना अच्छा है, texting is good, friendship is good, but if there is a line that you have to draw, of course you can condition the guy at a certain point that okay, this is thing, but if there's something that is coming onto you, what is very important and what we learn or what we teach here is if you're in a moment where you freeze, you have to unfreeze and think what is happening. The presence of mind is very important in lonely areas, in areas where you work, your workspaces, and not in karate clothes, not in clothes of martial arts, but in whatever clothes you're wearing, wherever you are.
Yeah.
Because Akshay ji and I truly believe that no one is in a capacity to tell anyone else, be it a guy or a girl, of where to go, what time to go, what is the appropriate material of clothes you're wearing. A girl should be free enough to wear whatever she likes, go at whatever time to whichever place she wants to be. And therefore, this center we've started all across, we're getting admissions from. We're starting off in BMC schools very soon because the budget of the BMC has given funds to the schools now, the education department, to have self-defense centers in the schools now. So I will request Akshay ji to have these classes again in BMC schools very soon. And I'm extremely glad that as we're doing this on one end, the other end we saw a rape case that happened was equally brutal as the Nirbhaya rape case, which was last week. But I'm also very glad that the rapists in the Nirbhaya rape case, 2 of them have got the death penalty. Yes. The death penalty must exist for rapists. It should be treated at par with terrorism. And the juvenile who's escaped the penalty, we hope that he will also get the penalty very soon. He should be sent to the gallows. So once again, thank you so much for coming here and supporting us.
Thank you. And I hope you can start these classes in Ambala also.
For sure.
Just for my...
So we have a brand ambassador from Ambala.
Yes, for sure. For sure.
Okay, last question. Anybody wants to ask anything?
Any media? Last question from the media.
Sorry?
जोर से शहरों में I didn't understand.
देखो अक्षय जी ने ऑलवेज कहा है कि हर एक स्कूल में ये सेल्फ डिफेंस का ट्रेनिंग होना चाहिए और जहाँ जहाँ हमें जगह मिल रही है, कोई भी मदद करने आगे आ रहा है, सपोर्ट करने आ रहे हैं, हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ सेल्फ डिफेंस दे रहे हैं। लेकिन अगर आप हमारे 120 बैचेस देखें तो उसमें सिर्फ शहर की लड़कियाँ नहीं है, शहर की औरतें नहीं है, यू विल हैव पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया। सो एवरीवन इज़ कमिंग हियर। ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ भी रेसिडेंशियल फैसिलिटीज़ है जो एकदम मिनिमल कॉस्ट में है, ये कॉस्ट तो फ्री है, लेकिन जहाँ हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, जिस स्कूल में मिल रही है, जिस गाँव में मिल रही है, we can go and train. We also planning 3-day courses to go as module camp which can go to every place.
जैसे बॉम्बे थाना is considered to be a city, but we have a women's self-defense center in Buldana, which is considered to be Vidarbha. We have a women's self-defense center in Navsari, which is a 3-tier city. We have a WSDC in Surat, which is a 2-tier city. And we have a women's self-defense center in Siliguri, West Bengal, which is, so we are trying to expand it. जितनी कोशिश हमसे हो रही है, जितना हमसे बन पा रहा है, हम लोग कर रहे हैं.
And Ambala soon.
Yes, Ambala.